AI Keep Clean, the tool for more focus and fewer mistakes. You work daily in VS Code and often across multiple workspaces. A wrong click in the wrong environment can endanger production code. Such mistakes are very expensive and cost time. AI Keep Clean makes your work environment visible, colors for more clarity, presets per workspace, and easily recognizable indents. Local AI like Ollama helps you create pleasant themes, so you can see immediately where you're working and avoid accidental changes. Setup takes seconds. Depending on preference, you can set red for production, yellow for staging, green for development, or mark your priorities with comfort colors. Developers stay focused and teams reduce risk. Now in early access, secure access to the first builds and give us feedback. AI Keep Clean, work with more safety and control, keep your eye on what matters.